Summer and an icebox cake. In this case, a lemony lingonberry icebox cake. It's just it's more like a creamy pudding more than anything. It's so delicious. It's all lemony on the inside, lots of cream, and then you've got this jewel-like topping of lingonberry on top. Just like, let's have some of that. Yeah. And the flavors kind of mingle in your mouth. Oh, this is great. It's the right amount of tartness from the lemon and a bit of sweetness and the creaminess. Perfect. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, to make our lemony lingonberry icebox cake, we have a couple of different ingredients here. First of all, over here, I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream, that's 35% plus, and I've chilled it well because it's summer, we want everything cold when we're trying to whip up whipped cream. Here I have 370 grams or 3/4 pound or 12 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of icing sugar, 1/2 cup of lingonberry jam. This is stuff I get from IKEA. Great stuff. 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of the grated rind of the lemon, or the peel on the outside. All right, first thing we're gonna do is whip up that whipped cream. So again, to make sure it whips up, especially in summertime, when things are hot, I've chilled the beaters and the bowl in the freezer for a while so they're good and cold. What we want to do is we want to beat this whipped cream to the soft peak stage, which is basically what it sounds. Nice, soft peaks. All right, so let's get that beater going and see you shortly. All right, that is hitting the soft peak stage. Look at that. Yes, very good. I've gone a little bit over soft peak stage today because it is warm in here, and I just want this to hold for a while. Okay, so I'm gonna put it aside, put that aside for a second. Bring a big bowl in here, get rid of that, and we're gonna cream the cream cheese. Soften that up a bit. And then we're going to cream in icing sugar, lemon juice, and lemon peel. All right. All right, let's just cream that all together. It's looking good and smooth. There's a little bit of bump still from some of the cream cheese, but this is about right. So now, I'm going to take the whipped cream and basically fold this together. So in goes that whipped cream. All right. And now, just not really beating it or anything, just kind of folding it in there. Bring the whipped cream and the cream cheese mixture together. And now, what I've done here, oh, that is delicious. I've prepared a pound cake pan, and I'm lining it with some paper, just like this. You just want it so after you can lift it out, so you kind of hang it over the edges, you just lift the whole cake out. So now what we're going to do is just start spooning this in here. And then I'm going to take a spoon and on goes the lingonberry jam. Now spread that out. What we do is basically making like a lingonberry jam icing, topping. Look at that beautiful color you get with this. Just looks like you've spread rubies on top of your cake. All right, that is going to go in the refrigerator. We want it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. We want to chill it good. It's never going to be super hard or anything, but it's going to be perfect to eat for a summer dessert. All right, let's check on this in a few hours. That's been sitting covered in the refrigerator for 4 hours. So let's just pull off the saran wrap. We gently pull it off so we don't disturb the lingonberry jam on top. All right, and then, because we only hung paper on 2 sides here, just kind of run a blade along here. And now, as you can see, it's going to be quite soft. But if we gently lift it out, what have we got? Oh, look at that. There we go. Peel that back a bit. And then, let's turn it sideways so you can see better. What I'm going to do now is just, first of all, clean that off. Oh, look at that. It's just lemony. And just slice off a nice generous slice, and there we go. That's it. Here you have Lemony Lingonberry Icebox cake. And you didn't have to bake, no heat in the kitchen, just throw it in the refrigerator. It's nice and refreshing, cool to eat. Enjoy. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for Lemony Lingonberry Icebox cake on our website. So, go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this delicious dessert, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen. And don't forget to check out the extra videos on the Patreon post feed.